Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss massive price prediction of XRP, $185 price at the minimum. But before we start the video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. The XRP crypto is up about 15% today on news of an update in Ripple's ongoing lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The rise in XRP comes amid a broader rally in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin has rallied 10% over the weekend and is trading today above $42,700. XRP is jumping higher on reports that the documents the SEC has been reviewing as part of its lawsuit against Ripple don't reveal anything negative and may not be relevant to the case. What happened with the XRP crypto? According to reports, attorney Jeremy Hogan analyzed two exhibits related to the Ripple lawsuit. He considers them weak evidence to support the SEC's claim that Ripple illegally sold and marketed XRP as a security. This news has investors optimistic that the SEC suit will end soon or be thrown out. The ongoing lawsuit has hung like a cloud over the XRP crypto and pushed its price lower. The coin is currently trading at 77 cents, 80% below its all-time high. Why it matters. The SEC suit against Ripple has hurt the price of the XRP cryptocurrency and continues to create an air of uncertainty around the coin. Any evidence that the lawsuit might not proceed or succeed is being cheered by investors and cryptocurrency bulls who are concerned about the threat of increasing regulation and government oversight of the crypto sector. While the lawsuit hasn't been dismissed or resolved otherwise, investors are excited to hear any news that could strengthen Ripple's defense. The price of the XRP crypto has moved higher in recent months based on other news about the lawsuit. What's next? XRP's price is getting a nice bounce today, along with the entire cryptocurrency market. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, is up 3%. The news that appears to favor Ripple's legal position vis-a-vis the SEC is helping to boost the price of XRP. However, until the lawsuit is concluded, it will continue to weigh on Ripple and the price of XRP. Investors indeed haven't been expecting Ripple's court battle with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to go on this long. The lawsuit, initiated in December of 2020, seemed like it would have been a shoo-in for the Ripple network. Since then, though, it's been a turbulent battle, and one that's kept the XRP coin held down. But could recent news finally signal the incoming closure of this case? And what might that mean for XRP price predictions? The SEC's lawsuit levied against Ripple sees a crypto project taken to task over willful skirting of US trading laws, depending on how you look at it. But from the other side of the debate, it represents a gap in the government's understanding of cryptocurrency and an unwillingness to learn before litigation. Either way, it's a significant moment in the history of the crypto legislator. It will set a precedent over whether or not cryptocurrency is a security. Crypto bulls have been long awaiting an end to this trial. Since April of 2021, Ripple executives have been motioning to dismiss the case. And as Investor Place contributor Joe Bagloli reports today, the end could finally be upon us. We've seen plenty of legal experts speculating on the case and its details, and attorney John Deaton is unconvinced the SEC can hold out much longer with its weak evidence. These takes pile on top of recent news that Judge Annalisa Torres is issuing several orders. These include unsealing several previously inaccessible documents sent to Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse and founder Chris Larsen. Torres is also granting Ripple permission to respond to an SEC memorandum. Crypto legal experts call the news very bullish. Attorney Jeremy Hogan believes the process will be significantly expedited after this news. XRP price predictions heat up with a lawsuit end hopefully in sight. With news of the lawsuit's gears turning, there's a lot of interest in the XRP coin. Today the coin is gaining 18% as investors digest the news, reaching a price of about 80 cents. Trading volume is also skyrocketing upward. Over $3.4 billion in XRP is trading hands today, a near 250% increase over yesterday. With all that said, investors are pretty excited about Ripple's price prospects. But just how high might XRP go? Let's take a look at some XRP price predictions and see what analysts are thinking. Coin Price Forecast expects Ripple to shoot through the $1 mark this year, lawsuit victory or not. The site is predicting a year-end value of $1.07 for XRP. Digital Coin makes a similar prediction, targeting a $1.09 price for XRP to end 2022. Wallet Investor is a bit more bullish in its 12-month XRP prediction. The site targets a February 2023 price of $1.23 for the coin. Gov Capital's one-year forecast is similar, expecting XRP to trade at $1.29 by February of next year. Will XRP reach $10? The biggest question that comes to everyone's mind in Ripple is if it is worth becoming a $10 per token. This all depends on how Bitcoin's movements pan out, as well as the SEC slowly letting go of Ripple. Given that departments will see Ripple as a legitimate technology that will benefit everyone, including billion-dollar corporations and banks, without manipulating the old system, the price of XRP will certainly spike up. While it may be less than $1 today, the future does seem bright for the altcoin. However, if the SEC proves that Ripple is a dirty technology, it will have a significant loss in its price. Additionally, this kind of result may affect cryptocurrency as a whole, especially if the masses will agree with the SEC that crypto is nothing more than just a fad with made-up words just to make everything sound legitimate. Yet, as more companies support the blockchain, there is still hope for XRP. After all, XRP is one of the most popular altcoins to date. Moreover, with its ever-growing technology despite all the controversies, as well as transfer fees and the transaction speeds proving faster and more efficient than the likes of Bitcoin's performance or Ethereum's statistics, Ripple may soon return to its throne as the number 3 coin based on market cap. Should you worry about the SEC? Is Ripple in trouble all this time? Technically, all cryptocurrencies are under the raised eyebrows of governments and the SEC. However, XRP is the most popular target among the others since it is directly under investigation. Yet, should this make you turn your head to another currency instead, or should you keep having diamond hands no matter how hard the institutions try to crack down on Ripple? The claims. According to the SEC, Ripple's platform, which allows businesses to move money, was financed using XRP, making it a security. The company's executives were likewise enriched with the sale of XRP in the process. Protection must be registered with the SEC, and certain financial information must be made public under its regulations. The objective is to prevent fraud and protect investors' interests. They also claim that it forces governments to reconstruct the tax laws, although, in reality, some governments already adapted cryptocurrencies' ways of income to ask its users to declare their taxes, such as Australia. The Howey test, which was created by the Supreme Court after SEC versus W.J. Howey Company in 1946, is used to determine whether a virtual currency qualifies as a security. The test is that if an item is marketed with promises of profits derived from the efforts of other people, it must be classified as a security. It is important to note that the Howey test is not an exact science. The main argument was whether XRP was liquid enough to be traded on open markets. One of Ripple's arguments centered around the company's decision in 2016 to lock up 55 billion XRP into a cryptographic escrow account, which it has complete control over. This meant that Ripple could not threaten to flood the market with XRP, a move that would collapse its value. 2 months later, Ripple opened up about 55 billion XRP from escrow and sold them on secondary markets over the course of 4 weeks. Only 5% of those funds came from selling XRP owned by the company itself. The remaining 95% were funds from XRP owners. Because Ripple did not spend this money, the company claimed that there were no expectations of profit and therefore argued that it could not be considered a security. However, during testimony, David Schwartz, one of Ripple's founders, revealed that he had researched the Howey test before opening up about the 55 billion XRP. Schwartz had concluded that the sale of XRP did not have to be registered with the SEC because it was not a security, which means that Ripple's legal counsel was either unaware of his findings or intentionally ignored them for their own benefit. The fact that Ripple then moved to purchase XRP in large numbers once its value began to rise sparked suspicion that the company had intended to profit from price rises in XRP. If that is true, then the sale of XRP could be considered unregistered securities offering under U.S. law. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.